Hey there, this is my review for the Spartan Industrial poly bags, the 6x8 size. They come in this bag, and I believe there's 25 in each package. Great little poly bags. They're, of course, plastic. They have the warning label right here. Flip it over, for any issues, for a warning in English, Spanish, and in French, to prevent, choking or anything from a child to be harmed. So you just obviously just put the item inside, and then you would peel this off, and then you would just seal the package like so, and then the sticker really the residue of the stickiness really stays on. It's pretty hard to take off. You'd have to take it off, you'd have to break the bag, or use a pair of scissors or something. So it is, as you can see, it's really stuck on. So yeah, so once you put it there, I definitely recommend know that you're done before you close it, because if you close it, you're basically gonna have to destroy the bag and throw it away and get a new one. So just so you can save on a bag. So yeah, hope this was helpful to, and have a great day.